What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard disappeared in Narzo N63. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on keyboard and input method. Now click on current keyboard. Now here you can set your keyboard as default. After that, go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and on top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.